In this video, we're going to learn how to install the Tyflow plugin for 3ds Max. So the first step to do is go to our preferred search engine and just simply search download Tyflow. You don't even have to write download Tyflow for 3ds Max because the first result that's displayed, that's where we want to go. So you go into the web page and the first thing you do is you accept the terms and license agreement and you select your V-Ray version. So for this instance, we're just going to select the second option, which is V-Ray 3.6 or higher, or no V-Ray, because this looks like the most updated version. And just click on download Tyflow. So it's a couple of megabytes, takes a little under a minute to download. However, I already have it downloaded, so we're just going to cancel that. And you go into that folder. So you will see that it has 4 different files dated from 2017 to 2020. And my 3ds Max version is 2020, so we're just going to select that one. And then go to this PC, your OS or C drive, then the first program files folder, Autodesk, and then 3ds Max 2020. Inside this you have to locate a folder called plugins. If you just scroll down a little bit, you'll find it here, and you simply come in here and paste the file that you just copied. I've already done it before, so it's showing over here. So the next thing you do is, after you finish installing, go back to 3ds Max and restart it. And once you open 3ds Max again, you will see under standard primitives, Tyflow is showing. So you can use that